Myntri katanat puli puthi ka jylla rakam sangma ha kasini baar ulaong na marba ka hokbat ka jingshisha ka pau pyrthei halor ka jingjhisha penyap jong wei unong wan shangkai na indoor kumta ru kito kibadan benta ha ka ba pynthohbria bat penbut nam sniaw ya ka jylla Meghalaya kidai ban pan map mardor ngas ngau ba kito ki ba keno bat pynthohbria ya ka Meghalaya bat ki brio jongi kidai ban pan map mardor ong Myntri habak keren shakila pathai kubor ula ong ru ba usngok ta ajor banyo iye ki brio hai ki rinsan social media bat kilat pathai kubor ki bana shabar ke jylla ne national media ki ba keno ya ka jylla ba ki nong shong shnong jongka klem da tip ya ka jingshisha halor jongka jingjia baro ngimdei kita kijat brio ba ka jingshisha ha ka ba khatdu kala pau pyrthei menta ong urakam da ka ba perturu halor ki sinjam ki bastad banyo kem ya ki runar ki badan kti kentup ya ka sonam ka bade ka kurim jong utei ulanot raja raguwanchi ubala sha penyap dusman ha ka jingwan shangkai sngo bhasha sora urakam ulaong bagi brio namar ka jingjor palat ka jingsau si kila sha penbor ban kentho lamwir henry ka ka ba kongsan kalong ka jingshisha halor ka ka balajia bat ka bala pau pyrthei ha ka ba khatdu
I also feel very hard on the things. I have gone through many social media, the national media, which is blaming the state without knowing anything on the fact. So we are not the people of that kind. The truth is revealed. Truth has been exposed today. So therefore, I also feel those who blame Meghalaya, our people, they should apologize to people. Yes, yes. When there is a heart, when there is a depression, the requirement, yes, we are forced to say all these things. But now it is open secret today what happened and what went wrong. So it has been exposed. The truth has been exposed. Truth has been revealed. I think I also feel that those who have said so, they should apologize to the people of the state.